Hello everyone, this is Nora from SINBON Electronics. A few years ago, charging was a major headache for many EV owners, but thanks to the rapid evolution of technology, things have been changed completely. Outside of the building, we have several AC and DC charging ports there. Before we dive into more details, let me do a quick check. Hi Nora, how long have you been driving an electric vehicle?
About over 2 years.
Oh, sounds great. So what are the biggest differences you've noticed when it comes to charging?
Well, back then I had to leave my car charging the whole day, but now with DC charger, it charges very fast and doesn't take much time. Just a coffee time and it will be ready to go, which is very convenient. And the different change is that the charger is much lighter and easier to operate. I can plug in and unplug it just with one hand. It's very friendly for female users.
Well, so no more charging stress, right?
Yeah, definitely.
Oh, thanks for sharing, Nora.
No problem.
Yeah. It's clear that charging has come a long way for EV drivers, but what's behind the scenes making all this possible? Let's check it out. Driven by environmental urgency and favorable policy support, EV penetration rate keeps rising, and the charging infrastructure has been continuously improved. In 2024, over 1.4 million charging stations were deployed globally last year, with a growth rate of 12%. Now let's head over to our SINBON expert, Sean and Kyle. They will walk us through some of the advanced charging technologies we've been made. Hey Kyle, nice to have you here.
Hi, Nora.
Can you go over what we've got here?
Yeah, so as we know nowadays, the more and more EV cars adapts the 800 volts platform, high voltage platform, which means that they need more power input to the vehicle. So back in the past few years, we used the AC charging into the DC charging, and nowadays we need a liquid cooled charging up to like 800 amps power output. So today I'm very happy to introduce our first liquid cooled charging unit, which is we have here, and recently we just got Euro certification. So with this charging unit, our most interesting feature is that we adopt the separate module design. The one is the fan, the other one is the pump. So with this kind of features can give the customer have more flexibility, which means they can have the installation inside their charging station with different angle stack up. So with this kind of feature can not also give the convenience to the customer, but also lower the overall cost. So let's take a look at our structure of the liquid cooled charging unit. So we have defined two separate parts. One is the fan, the other one is the pump. And here are the outlets to the charging cables. So the pump plays the very important key roles. The first one is that it drives the coolant inside this pipe through the entire liquid cooled charging unit and also between the charging cable to form the circulation. So once the charging cable coolant back to the charging unit, the fan will play another important key role, is that taking the heat away from the entire liquid cooled charging unit. So this combination dramatically reduces the cost and also boosts the fast charging features under the extreme weather and the condition. So despite the powerful performance, the system runs very quietly, only around 60 decibels, and also with the better charging experience. So I think that is pretty much the short intro of this liquid cooled charging unit. And then I will hand over to Sean to let him introduce more about the charging products.
SINBON's liquid cooled charging cable features an ergonomic design, enabling single-handed operation for effortless plugging and unplugging. Compared to the conventional dry cables, our liquid cooling one offers a significant weight reduction. It contains less copper but delivers higher charging current. It can achieve 1000 amps peak current charging for 8 minutes and maintain 800 amps continuous charging. The system is calibrated with a 75°C temperature threshold and with a maximum allowable temperature rise of 50°C for normal operation. We have also recognized the complex field environment in which the cables operate. The common field failure scenarios such as arcing, latch breakage or header breakage can be addressed through the serviceability design. The pins, latches, and headers are fully replaceable, simplifying maintenance and reducing downtime.
Well, I believe you now have a better understanding of our own developed high-power charging cable and the liquid cooling system. And here's some great news for you. In this year, October from 6th to 9th, we are going to be at the Battery Show in Detroit. We have been deeply involved in the automotive industry for many years, accumulating extensive expertise in EV field. Please drop by our booth and check out our cool products in person. We are really looking forward to offering our high-performance charging solutions and exploring new opportunities to collaborate.